DJOTV.
Welcome to DJOTV.
DJOTV. E don burst o. CBN wan stop the use of new naira notes after the whole katakata wey Nigerians don go through for this new matter. My people, we greet una o. We welcome una to this our channel. No be small thing, my people. The tori wey we carry concern una this time around na about this new money matter o. Ever since government and CBN introduce this new money, una know say different gbege and wahala begin happen for inside Naija o. Unto say the new money no gree circulate o. In fact, most people begin use money buy their own money. Plenty wahala here and there on top this new money matter. Before dem come later say person fit use the old naira note until so date when dem go take stop am. Now CBN don dey talk and make plans to stop the use of the new naira notes unto say dem no get the means to produce more. After dem say dem use about 5 billion take redesign am o. Now they don dey talk now, they make plans to stop am o, so they no fit produce more. After the whole wahala and stress wey Nigerians don go through, people even lost their life on top this new money matter. So many wahala here and there. Anyway, my people, make I leave una, make una watch this video. We dey come back.
Remember, CBN came out and CBN said that they are thinking of scrapping away the new naira notes because they have no means or they have no capacity to print the right number of the new notes that will be enough for the country. So what does that mean? Let us start from the beginning. Remember, CBN gave us 3 reasons why they were introducing the new naira notes. The first one they said was to stop money laundering. The second one was to crop corruption, that they were politicians, they were very corrupt, and they wanted to use this naira squeeze or cashless policies to be able to curtail corruption to the minimum. And the third was the value. They wanted to give our naira value. You might not believe this. 2022, Nigeria had approximately 2 trillion deficit. 2 trillion deficit. So it was good. It has some basic advantage that the CBN said. But the question Abraham Lincoln was asking, it is not the how many years you lived, but how good have you lived that years. So the CBN should have noticed that the day-to-day life of every Nigerian should be uppermost in their policies. Let's continue. You see, this economic squeeze brought a lot of hardship. Divide this hardship into 5 groups. Economic consequences. For example, a lot of companies could not get enough currencies to operate, and many of them end up bankrupt. And in order to save their own soul, most of all these companies have to close down. I have a friend who have a poultry farm. He was one of those who suffered. Virtually every company suffered during this naira squeeze or the cashless policy. This one also brought food inflation. Prices skyrocketed. All these Nigerians were suffering. And Nigeria, although we were counting years, but the years we were living, the way we were living these years was a F. I don't want to use the word here. Then we also have black market now developed because of this cashless policy. Then you discover that a country, same quantity will have different prices, different. If you go to this market, depending on the time of the day, depending on how much you have. If you have cash on you, the seller might sell it for you for 10,000. But if you don't have cash and you say you want to do transfer, he will tell you, okay, pay 15, because I'm not sure if I will be able to get your transfer in the next 2 days or 3 days. Same commodity that you bought from the same person, having different prices. Then finally, the long queue at the ATMs, fighting, people breaking their heads. This has to do with the psychological effect it has on Nigerians. Nigeria went through hell during these months. After all said and done, after making Nigerians go through hell, our president came out, Buhari, and said he apologized. The question is, how has Nigerians lived 8 years under your watch? How have Nigeria lived 8 years under your watch? Until we get a government that think about its citizen, we will forever be pained. We will forever go through pain. And that is why every day we'll come out here and talk about Sir Peter Gregory Obi. This is a man who has empathy for the citizen. This is a man who feels concern for all Nigerians. This is a man who has won the hearts of Nigerians.
My people, now here this matter analyze the whole new money matter, the plans wey CBN get to say stop the circulation of the new money. Not be small thing, no. This whole thing, get as e be o. Nigerians don't really see me, not be small. After the whole gbege, the whole wahala, people sef even die put sef. Na they say they won't stop the new money, say they no fit produce more, be they put am sef. Now wow, not way person no go see for this country. Now wow, my people, how una see this matter? Make una drop una comment for the comment section, and make una no forget to like and share this our video. Now do well. See you all in our next video. Bye.